This video is part of a Pixalate Know Your Developer research investigation from Pixalate's ad fraud and compliance team, and documents Pixalate's forensic traffic analysis of a mobile application identified as likely child-directed. The objective is to observe if the app properly signals a child user to the advertising ecosystem when installed on a device explicitly configured for a child, and if verifiable parental consent is obtained prior to the transmission of any data to third-party ad partners. Visit Pixalate.com for the full research report. Pixalate's traffic analysis of the phone case DIY app from the Apple App Store, developed by Crazy Labs, reveals a children's privacy compliance risk. The test was conducted on an iPhone running iOS 26.1, explicitly configured as a child's device via Apple's device profile settings. According to a manual review from Pixalate's Trust and Safety Advisory Board, the app is likely child-directed. There was no age gate and no verifiable parental consent observed prior to being served advertisements. Network logs revealed the app's communication with ad SDKs passes the COPPA flag marked as false, indicating a general or adult audience, or provides no COPPA audience signal at all, despite the child-directed nature of the app and the test device's profile settings. In play testing, persistent identifiers including identifier for vendors, or IDFV, were shared in config requests with no COPPA flag present, and responses include embedding the user's real IP address in the body. Other ad requests include an explicit COPPA equals false flag, indicating a general or adult user. Alongside persistent identifiers, without any signal that the user is a child, and in some cases with an explicit signal that the user is not a child, other user attributes were shared with ad partners including device make and model, user agent, internet connection type, battery percentage, volume settings, device brightness level, time zone, internal free memory on the child's device, and more, attributes that when combined can be used for device fingerprinting. This app lists 81 advertising platforms as direct partners on its appads.txt file. Additionally, outside of Pixalate's manual review, Pixalate's aggregate data shows that IP address and geolocation coordinates are also transmitted in the ad bid stream without VPC within this application.